What is impedance matching? What is impedance? Impedance means any obstruction or opposition to the passage of sound waves. The meaning of impedance is any obstruction or opposition to the passage of sound waves. For example, when a sound wave reaches the inner ear, the fluid, that is perilymph, which is present in the cochlea, offers impedance. So, impedance means obstruction or opposition to the passage of sound waves. When the sound waves are passed, there is an obstruction or there are some forces which opposes the sound waves. So here what happens, the fluid present in the inner ear resists the transmission of sound wave due to its own inertia. So here impedance means when the sound waves are transmitted, when the sound waves reach the inner ear, the fluid present in the cochlea offers impedance. The fluid in the cochlea acts as a opposing force against the sound waves coming to the inner ear. Impedance matching is the process by which the tympanic membrane and the ear ossicles convert the sound energy into mechanical vibrations in the cochlear fluid, that is the perilymph, with minimum loss of energy by matching the impedance offered by fluid. So the role of ear ossicle is it acts as like a lever system. The stapes exerts a greater force here against the cochlear fluid, which results in vibration of the cochlear fluid. The surface area of the tympanic membrane is 55 square millimeter. It is larger compared to that of the footplate of stapes, which is about 3.2 square millimeter. So 55 square millimeter is the surface area of tympanic membrane, whereas the surface area for footplate of stapes is 3.2 square millimeter. So that's why it is taking, the force exerted by footplate of stapes on cochlear fluid is 17 to 22 times greater than the force exerted by sound waves of tympanic membrane. Because the tympanic membrane has a larger surface area, but the footplate of stapes has a smaller surface area. So because of this smaller surface area, it has to exert a greater pressure compared to the tympanic membrane. So 55 square millimeter is the surface area of tympanic membrane. The surface area of footplate of stapes is only 3.2 square millimeters. That's why there is a 70 to 22 times the force exerted by the footplate of stapes than the force exerted by the sound waves on the tympanic membrane. So the leverage action increased the pressure by 1.3 times here. The leverage action is mainly the ear ossicles act as a lever action. So this in turn, the total amplification of sound will be 17 times 22 times greater, means 17 into 1.3. So if it is 22 into 1.3. So if it is 17 means 17 into 1.3. 1.3 means the leverage action. Also, the other reason for this impedance matching is because the head of malleus is longer than the long process of incus, so that a higher force is generated in small structure. These two are the main reasons because of which there is the impedance matching. Mainly the difference in the surface area is the main reason, which is the tympanic membrane has a surface area of 55 square millimeter and the footplate of stapes just have 3.2 square millimeter. So the footplate of stapes, there is 70 to 22 times the force exerted than the force exerted on the tympanic membrane. And total amplification of sound will be 17 into 1.3, that is 22 times. Significance of impedance matching. Impedance matching actually is the most important function of the middle ear, you can say. Because of impedance matching, the sound waves or the stimuli which are transmitted to the cochlea only with minimal loss of intensity. And without impedance matching, there is conductive deafness occurs.